It's September 11:40. 20 September 11:40. Yeah, beaming my head all day. To the satellite. These are satellites. Okay. Beaming, EEG scanning, right? Direct energy weapon, right? Using synthetic teleport, scanning the brains and all that. Okay. You're not just harassing me, you're harassing my brother. So, okay. Right. Okay. 20th September 2021. Just right above the house. Right above the house. Where our roof is, where we sit. Okay. This is how they use direct energy weapon. Okay. EEG scanning. Microwave pulse weapons. All this things. Okay. Hitting a damn bloody head, damn hard. Right. Your left skull, you can feel it. Okay. The fuck this PDRM doing? How the fuck this? Government's doing this. This is not today, they've been doing this for a very long time. Recently, they get all this technology has been using us. Come on, neighbors coming out already. So they're trying to cover up with some false agenda. Right? Just to cover up this crime. Right? They're going for your kids. I like it, I don't like it, yeah. It detreated my muscles, my spine bone on the left side. The hospital can give me a report out of it. Until I followed the whole treatment, so I didn't get a report. So I was scared to give me a report. Okay? This is what they do it. This is how they do it. EEG brain scanning. 20th of September 2021.